Hello, and welcome back to another motivational video on the channel. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we will be talking about Frank, who does all of our metal works on the channel when it comes to burglar proof doors, windows, Gates. Frank is the guy, man, but that's not all that he does. As you can see, he's into making furnitures as well. So if you want to combine your metal and wood, Frank is the guy. You could see what he's been working on when it comes to combining the combination of wood and metal, which you can end up having beautiful artifacts like what you see here. And it's very simple, man. It's all about having someone who is very creative, to design this structure for you. You could see how beautiful, you could combine nature and metal, man. And this kind of wood, you can find them around the Ebri. If you're going to Ebri, I think they sell those kind of wood. You could find them. And if you have Frank, who knows about metals and can design very nice structure, you know, you can work together with Frank, come up with a beautiful design, and make it happen. Make it happen. So we will show you the end result of the chairs that we are making now. And if you check online for for this tables and chairs, the wood and the metal, they are very expensive. If you check them online, if you live in the West, you know what I'm talking about. But we are fortunate in Africa to have this wood in our disposal, where you can just buy the wood, come to Frank, and he will design the base for you. And this is even a business opportunity for someone, living in Ghana, because sometimes we have to ship all of those things from Europe, Asia to Ghana, to Africa, whilst we have all the wood, and all you need is someone that you can trust and work with, who is Frank, who is very talented and designs beautiful things with metals. This is just by the way and a free tip. You can sell this dream to someone who is unemployed in Ghana to start doing something.
Asɛm foto no dɔɔso a nti ewie na ɛsɛ yɛpepa ho kakra. Yeah. Nti na morning no ma ɛna me nipa na ɛyɛ ho adwuma no. Installation no bibia yɛde aba wie yɛ. Aka yɛ messing for na ɔmbɛyɛ ɔmo dressing and other stuffs. Ɛna pillar no nso hɔ no there will be a coping. Yeah. Nti coping design no baba yɛpɛ. Right. Mighty Sade for Frabe Chrome.
So this is Frank's workshop when he was done with putting all the metals together. Before he sent it to the client, he always show it to the client, every details before bringing it. So if you want any changes, it can be done. Some people will just come, take the estimates, go and do their own thing, and then they just bring it to your site, and maybe that's not what you want. Like I said, Frank takes you through the whole process of the finishing. And you can check in my playlist Mighty Metal Works for more beautiful designs that he has worked on.
And then the ideas are mighty any day. Are you pen in time? You pen in time interested you money any biara. Charlie, come again. It is asking. No, the level no. I bet you take them already. Lift them small. Hey, that's not any V. Lift them small. Okay. Corner GB. Okay, tag bro. Akpono abu biara kama sokro jigbevi. Wache konadu na gbodom aplo wache chutema. Akova keke gado KGB. Abe KGB to Romanya wache dada wanene. Ndudu oko. DDK. Idiot. Charlie.
So that's Frank's number on your screen. You can call him and deal with him directly. Frank is located in Temagov City, but we are not limited. We work all across the country, Togo, Cape Coast, Temale, everywhere. So just get in touch with Frank.
Mighty Hand Metalworks. Ɛnɛ yɛabɛpie mu wɔ Koforidua Adwumapɔn. Burger proof. Solid one bill. Correct one pa design also twa ne ho kama. From Tema all the way to Jumapon Koforidua. And then so Hana Yabedu. Right. Yes, if you the garden, Mamma Shan say baby project in an Ebroswaba. Now you will become a kama. Mighty Hand Metalworks. Yeah. This meant there. Abedu Koforidua. Cove Town. B Foster Chrome. And a flower is no. Some here. Yeah.
And when it comes to design, Frank is the guy you need. Check this burglar proof out. Frank has a lot of designs, and he's very creative. That is what I really like about him. Besides using good materials for your project, he's very creative. So you should make good use of his knowledge and his talent. It's not about what you've seen from people. Just give your ideas to Frank, and Frank will design something beautiful for you. Very beautiful. You can check in my playlist, like things that we've done for people, the designs. He is also easy to work with. He's friendly, he's funny. As you can see in the videos, if you watch his video, he's always making jokes, with his colleagues, and he's very fun person to work with. So just get in touch with Frank, and just ask your questions, your challenges, just put in front of him, and you see how well he will respond to you and get your job done. And his work is not only about, construction, like building the windows and the gates. No, anything that has to do with metals, anything you want to mold, like you saw, the chairs, the tables, anything at all you want to design with metals, just get in touch with him. You can share the picture or diagram or whatever you want to come up with, and this guy will do it for you. And if you are looking for a great team to work with when it comes to construction, building your dream house with less stress, not working with people that are always be on you, that you have to send the money, you have to bring the money so they build a house. No. We take it easy. We have a strategy we use to build a house. It will take some time, but you will surely get there. Like I said, building is not, a competition or a rush. It's a gradual process, step by step. With a good flow, you will get your house done in no time. So if you want to build that dream with ease, consider Gigo Production Group. That's my number there on the screen. You can WhatsApp me. Anything you need, I'll forward you to the right people. If you maybe you have your mason, your foreman that you really trust and is very good, but then you lack a carpenter, a steel bender, or someone who can help you with your windows, glass, anything about construction. If you need someone, to add up to your team, we are here to help you to get it done. So this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video and share to your friends to motivate someone. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, kindly please do so. And I'll see you in my next episode. Look do we.